Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need two ingredients to make this, and they are coffee and lemon. You can easily get these two ingredients. Both the ingredients are very healthy ingredients as they are rich in antioxidants. When it comes to coffee, you can go with instant coffee or regular black coffee. When it comes to the brand, it's totally optional. The caffeine in the coffee helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Lemon, on the other hand, boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Now let's check out how to make this healthy weight loss drink. Take a mug like this. To this, add a teaspoon of the instant coffee powder. You'll just need a tablespoon of lemon juice for this recipe. Half the lemon is more than enough. Squeeze in a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. To this, add 1 cup of hot water and mix it well with a spoon. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this on empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. You can go with any brand of your choice. Then goes in 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of water. So we have added all the three ingredients in the same ratio. Now using a hand blender, blend it for a minute. If you don't have a hand blender, you can use your hands, but it will take a while. Now it's becoming nice and creamy. Blend until you get nice stiff peaks. We have nice and stiff peaks. Now we have got nice and fluffy creamy coffee. So let's start making the coffee. To a serving coffee cup, add 3 scoops of coffee cream. Then add 1 cup of hot milk. Add it slowly, only then your cream will come up and float. Now with a spoon, give it a gentle mix. Now your super delicious cappuccino coffee is ready to serve. If you like your coffee to be a little more strong, go ahead and add another scoop of coffee cream. You can also make a design in the top using an instant coffee powder. Today I've just sprinkled some. This is absolutely a delicious and easy method, so do try this recipe at home and write back to me. I'll meet you all with another recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.